Hello. Well, after 9 months of soaking the seized engine in a mixture of diesel oil and ethanol, and then a lot of physical effort with a lever and a hammer, I finally managed to get the engine block off the seized engine. So if you just want to come on here and have a quick look, I'll show you. See, that's the block there. This piston was seized and it actually broke on its way out. You can see that the rings are completely fused in here. They should be flexible, like on this one here, which you can see has some flexibility left, but this piston completely and utterly seized in the cylinder. So now I'll just lift this out. Here we go. This is the heart of DKW engine, 2-stroke cast iron engine block for a 2-cylinder motor. And if you want to come back in here and have a look, you can see the rest of the engine pretty well now. So there's 2 cylinders here. There. Engine's 700 cc's, so they're 350 cc engine pistons. I said that one there completely and utterly exploded yesterday when I was trying to lever it out. If you can see into the the crankcase is pretty horrible, but you never know, some of it could be reconditioned, but I have a reconditioned crankcase coming which will go into the engine block down here later. Alright, so that for me is a major milestone. This engine has been completely and utterly immovable for more than 9 months. So yeah, it's a good start. Thank you.